Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. In today's video, we're going to go through the latest updates from DVSA and exactly what the government is talking about in terms of the rules and regulations and the consequences of breaking them. We already know that you can't actually take any driving lessons except on one condition, which is, let's go through it here. You cannot take driving lessons in England, Scotland or Wales. You can only practice driving with members of your household or support bubble. It must be for work, education or other essential journeys. So this is the only condition where you can learn to drive during the COVID lockdown period. Again, you can find this on the government's website, and also if you look under the section practicing with families or friends, again the same information is given. You can only learn to drive with someone within your own household or support bubble under the condition of traveling for work, education or essential journeys. But if you look at the Twitter feed of DVSA, we got private practice for England. Government guidance is very clear. People should stay at home to save lives and protect the NHS unless their trip is essential. But then here, with the cross next to it, a journey solely for driver learning purposes is not considered essential. So slightly contradictory here. Is saying that, really you should not be out there learning to drive with whoever. And let's just look at the second part of the tweet. However, current guidance has been reviewed and updated. So when is this? January the 11th. Okay, you can, with a tick next to it this time, you can only practice driving with members of your household or support bubble when traveling for work, education or other essential journeys. The same advice applies to Scotland and Wales. But of course, your loophole is if you're traveling to work, education, or like you're going to shopping, for grocery shopping that is. I mean, the other day I read an article about two people go to the park with a Starbucks coffee and they got fined for it because the police thought or classified it as a picnic because they were drinking coffee. Anyway, that's something you guys can discuss. Let me just show you exactly the punishment though if you are caught. So national lockdown, stay at home, and then if you look for if you break the rules, okay, the police can take action against you if you meet in larger group. Okay, we don't care about that, but you can be given a fixed penalty notice of £200 for the first offence. So as I said, the article of two people walking in the park, even though they had 2 meters apart from each other, they were fined £200. Doubling for further offence goes up to 6,400 or doubling anyway. So the point is you can get a fine of £200 if you're caught. But if you're a repeat offender, it could go up to doubling, then up to maximum £6,000. And if you're whole or involved in holding an illegal gathering of up to 30 people, the police can issue fines of £10,000. So anyway, the point is the fines can be limitless, can't they? So it's up to the police discretion how many times you be caught, how they feel that you're breaking the rules. So just be aware about the punishment. But for now, it looks like, let me just find it. Even though Pretty Patel has made an announcement saying the police are going to be a lot more tougher, and they're saying they caught 45,000 people already. They've given them already fines, and they're happy about it because they're saying they want to control the coronavirus pandemic. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think it's worth going out for a drive with your family member? Do you think you're going to learn from them than compared to, say, a professional or a trained driving instructor? We will be posting loads of videos, loads of updates as soon as we get the messages or whichever source that we get from. So today we got from Twitter. They're just reconfirming that you can learn to drive with a family member, but they're saying just make sure you're not just driving for any other reasons. So be aware of that. Don't also forget you can like and share and subscribe with our channel FM Driving School, and you'll see loads of videos how to drive, how to pass a driving test. So that will keep you a bit more occupied during the lockdown. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.